Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Salman Anjum at my YouTube channel and we are discussing about cell. So briefly we have discussed about the parts of the cell. We have talked about cell membrane, cytoplasm and important organelles. And the topic today is two another very important organelles and one of them is lysosomes. So if we look at the word lysosome, it is basically a combination of two words. The first part is lyso. Lysos means lysis. And ohms. Ohms mean small bubble-like or sac-like structures which can hold some material or some liquid that has the capability to perform lysis. Lysis means to break. So that means these are those kind of structures in which there are those kind of chemicals who has the capability to perform lysis of something. Lysis means to break down something. So again, lysosomes are small vesicles involved in cellular digestion. So you must be well aware of the word digestion. One kind of digestion is that is happening in your stomach or which is happening in your mouth. And second level of digestion is that is happening inside the cells, and that is called cellular digestion. So cellular digestion is quite different than the digestion happening in stomach. But again, digestion means to break down something into further small components. So these are lysosomes and they are involved in providing those chemicals which has the capability to perform digestion inside the cells. And what are those chemicals which are present inside lysosomes? Those chemicals are called enzymes. And those enzymes has the hydrolytic property. Means these enzymes, they perform hydrolysis of something which they want to break down. In fact, it is food which they want to break down, and they perform this chemical reaction which is called hydrolysis. I told you before the meaning of hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is basically again composed of two words. The first part is hydro and second part is lysis. Hydro means water and lysis means to break. So basically these enzymes, they use water molecule to break down food, and that phenomena is called cellular digestion. So once again, these enzymes are basically stored inside these sac-like structures. Lysosomes, they also degrade certain other foreign material. So that means they can also help the cells basically to fight against certain invading molecules such as bacteria. And also these lysosomes, they are involved in breakdown of waste. And lysosomes, they have different size and they come in different shapes depending upon the type of the cell they belong to and how they digest some sort of material or some food, for example. So they can basically fuse with that food. For example, there is food inside the cell, so that food then touches the lysosome, and lysosomes, they fuse with that material and they basically pour out the chemicals which are enzymes present inside lysosomes, and those enzymes then start digesting the food material. So you can assume the lysosome as if they are balloons which contain inside these digesting enzymes. So whenever there is some food particle that touches that balloon bursts open and releases out those killing or digesting enzymes, and ultimately that food material is digested.